Hi everyone, I am Mark Lallard D. Libertad. I am a first year student from the Philippine Normal University Visayas, the Environmental and Green Technology Hub. And I'm going to share with you what is SDG. What is SDG or Sustainable Development Goals? It is a set of 17 interconnected goals given by the UN or United Nations to end poverty, protect the planet, and to ensure that by 2030, people in the world will enjoy peace and more sustainable world. I want to highlight SDG 15, also known as Life on Land. It aims to preserve our terrestrial ecosystem, balance diversity, and care for wildlife. As a global citizen, caring for life on land is important, not just in these present times, but also for the future generation. Every tree that has been cut counts. Every species lost, and land that's been polluted affects not only the forest but our present and future life. Why do we need to take action now? Because the trees filter the air we breathe, and we plant our food in the soil. With the nature destroyed, we humans can't survive. We don't need a higher position to make a change. By growing trees and caring for the life on land, we can make a change. It is our responsibility to care, to protect, and to preserve the life on land. And as a global citizen, I choose to take this responsibility.